Having a good entry point not only allows you to risk less, but it also gives you a higher probability of success. In this video, I will explain my entry technique and how it correlates with the setups I explained in my setups video. And actually, that reminds me, everyone here is interested in trading, whether it's trading stocks or Forex. So hear me out. If you're looking to start trading or already trading with little to no success, you should remember to trade with a regulated broker. They are bound by the law to offer complete transparency, so you know what's happening to your money. They also give risk warnings and fraud protection. To make your search easier, I linked a regulated broker down in the description that even gives a $30 trading bonus once you sign up. It will be the first link in the description. As mentioned before, this strategy uses the MACD or Moving Average Convergence Divergence for entries. For the buy and sell setups shown on the screen right now, let's refer to them as normal buys and normal sells. And for the buy and sell setups shown now, let's refer to them as advanced buys and advanced sells. All of this is only for differentiation purposes. The entries using the MACD are only applicable for normal buy and sell setups, while advanced buy and sell setups are triggered by the change of candlesticks. For normal buy setups, once price starts going up after the initial break below the Asian bar, your focus as a trader using this strategy should be on the histogram part of the MACD. Once the histogram changes from down-facing bars or red bars to its first up-facing bar, that means that there is a buy entry. For sell entries, the opposite should be followed. So instead of looking for the first up-facing green bar, you look for the first down-facing red bar instead. Advanced setups, on the other hand, do not use the MACD indicator. For advanced buy setups, you enter exactly after the first bullish candlestick coming off the bounce off of the middle of the Asian session box, while advanced sell setups entry comes after the first bearish candle after the bounce. I'll make sure to show examples up on the screen, so you should make sure to pause the video if you need. That brings us to the end of yet another video. See you on the next one.